Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Shortcut Mastery. So in today we will discuss the issue of how Google Chrome slow download speed in Windows 10, 11 will be solved. So it's basically depend on my simple steps. So firstly, let's go move to the first step. What you have to do is you have to just go to Chrome as I have already in Chrome. So you have to just write query Chrome colon double slash and then you have to write flags. So basically this will be open, so you have to figure it out. Parallel downloading, here it is, parallel downloading. So it is basically now is on default, so you have to enable it. So when you enable it and then you have to click on relaunch, it will boost up your speed. So after relaunch this, your speed of this downloading has been increased. And if it doesn't, so you have to go to in another step like in Chrome settings. So I'm already in the Chrome, so I have just click on right three doors and go to the settings. Here it is. I have to just open the settings and I have to type here continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. So I have to click on close it. It is now enabled, so I have to disable it because it may consume some speed, so I have to disable it. So when Google Chrome is closed, so it will not consume any speed, so we will get boost in downloading. So if this method you have done this, so if you want to boost some more downloading speed, so you have to go to in step 3. So you have to type here in search bar like cmd and click on the run as administrator. Click on yes, and then you have this cmd command. You have to just type ipconfig space forward slash then flushdns. You have to write this query and press enter. So you can see the message successfully flush the DNS resolve cache, and you have to write another command netsh winsock reset. You have to press enter. Oh, sorry, I typed the wrong spell. So type it again. Let's winsock reset. Press enter. So successfully reset the Windows winsock catalog. So after doing this, this will also boost up your speed, downloading speed in Google Chrome. So if this you want to enable more speed, so you have to change your DNS through run command. So we will go to on run, type run on the search bar and then open it, and you have to type it ncpa.cpl. I will also add these all these queries in my description of this video, so you can just copy it from there as well. So in Wi-Fi, you have to just right click on it and then go to the properties. On your properties, you have to find out Internet Protocol version. So here it is. So you have to just go to the properties of this. Here it is. In below, you can see this option is selected obtain DNS server address automatically. So you have to change this, use the following DNS server address. You have to change this address, like you have to type this, and similarly you have to type below here. So you have to just click on OK. So it will also boost up your downloading speed. So if you like my video, so kindly subscribe my channel and share my video as well. So thank you so much.